In 1936, he wasn't a CEO. He was a daredevil, bleeding out in a race car. The industry giants called his work substandard.
Not worth saving.
He was a laughingstock.
Scrap.
He rebuilt. Then war bombers leveled his factory. He rebuilt again. Then an earthquake swallowed the rest. God and man left him with zero. 1946. He spent a year in a drunken haze, while his wife peddled miles for rice. Until he saw a piece of war trash, a radio generator meant for a dead army. He used a hot water bottle for a gas tank, pine oil for fuel. His name was Soichiro Honda, inventing the motorized bicycle that launched one of the world's greatest engineering companies.
Start your own journey today with the Founder Dashboard and access $5,000 in startup discounts.